good enough for him, it's good enough for you. And if it's good enough for her, it's good enough for anybody. The engineers at Porsche and Harley-Davidson are by no means the only ones who've chosen to include CTEK's chargers in their own product range. Aston Martin is another prime example. CTEK is quite simply the smartest battery charger in the world. After rigorous tests, chargers from CTEK have been selected as original parts for several of the world's most prestigious car and motorcycle brands. And around the world, the press has been unanimous in their verdict. Efficient charging and safety are considered two of the major benefits. Only a charger of the absolute highest quality can guarantee optimal battery performance. And optimal performance is exactly what Porsche strives to give its customers. The same charger that is now an original part for prestigious motoring brands has been available on the Swedish market as a CTEK charger since 2002 and has been a phenomenal success. Sales have increased 25-fold in only 3 years, and CTEK has emerged as a market leader in many countries. In 2003, CTEK was rewarded by the Swedish Trade Council for their success in the demanding German market. Here we see the prize being presented to President Birger Malleus by Swedish Crown Princess Victoria. CTEK, the smartest battery charger in the world. And by the way, Mercedes have also chosen CTEK as an original part.